In this video, we'll be reviewing the best steps to protect your home. It's always a good time to put a game plan together to protect your home and maintain it in the short term as well as the long term. It's not a matter of if, but when your home will start showing signs of aging and weather damage. You can protect it and give it the gift of extended life by taking the following steps.
Inside your home. Your home is your castle. It's where you can retreat to after a long day and where your family feels comfortable and safe. Keep it that way for years to come by making sure each of its vital areas is in tip-top shape.
You don't want to miss any of this information, so make sure you stick around to the end. Click like, leave us a comment, and subscribe. That helps our channel grow. Okay, let's dive right into it.
Number 1, doors and windows. These openings keep the outside and inside temperatures where they belong. Periodically, check that they are structurally sound, especially around their parameters. Run your hand around their frames to see if you feel air filtering in. If you notice any flaking, shrinking, or peeling caulk, fix it as soon as possible. In addition, look for fogging or condensation within a window, which can be a red flag that it needs to be replaced.
That's a great idea because many windows will have some of those issues and it's probably costing you efficiency.
Number 2, pipes and ducts. Your home's plumbing is often out of sight, out of mind, until there is a problem. Typically, the biggest culprit is leaks, which can cause extensive water damage and mold buildup. You can prevent these issues by regularly checking your pipes and faucets for any drips or cracks. Turn off and drain outdoor spigots before winter and consider insulating them with foam to prevent freezing. Don't forget your dryer ductwork. You or a professional should clean your dryer ductwork out at least once or twice a year to eliminate the threat of fire caused by lint buildup.
Going back to the pipes, people may not know it, but in Arizona, it does get below freezing. And we do have to take care of our pipes to make sure that they don't expand, causing cracks. There's a lot of different tips and tricks on that, and I'll put that in a different video, so check back in.
On to number 3, basements. If you have an unfurnished basement, there are several things you'll need to check to keep it in good shape. Clean your sump pump at least 3 to 4 times a year to ensure it is doing its job, pumping water out of your home. Test your pump by slowly pouring a bucket of water into it. It should kick in if it's working properly. If you have French drains in your basement, periodically declutter them to prevent water blockages. Monitor your basement walls and window wells for evidence of water seeping in, which can result in brown or black mold. If you spot either, get it tested and remediated as soon as possible for the safety of both your home and your family.
Believe it or not, there are homes in the Valley of the Sun that have basements. They are harder to find, but if that's what your heart desires, we will locate them for you.
And make sure you also get a radon test with your home inspection.
Great idea.
Next, number 4, HVAC. What does that mean? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Your HVAC system keeps the air and heat circulating throughout your home. A faulty unit can obviously be problematic for your family, and it could also be pricey. Total HVAC replacements can cost upwards of $10,000 or more. Taking steps to maintain your current one will help you avoid this financial burden down the road. To maximize its overall efficiency, change its filters every 1 to 2 months. Make sure there's ample space around your inside unit and frequently check that debris hasn't fallen onto or into your outside unit. Also, have a professional do a tune-up once or twice a year.
That's great information, and usually when it comes to home inspections, at least in Arizona, 2 of the top things that people will look for are the HVAC systems and the roof. So you definitely want to make sure that you pay particular attention to both of those when moving forward with purchasing a property. And when it comes to maintenance, when you own the property, as we're suggesting, taking care of something always prolongs its life. You see that QR code on the screen? Take a picture of it. Download our new mobile app. It's amazing. First off, unlike most third-party real estate sites, our inventory is current and accurate. Second, we don't gather, sell, or share any of your personal information. Don't want it? It's yours. And third, nobody is going to bother you. This is great information. Let's hear some more.
Sure. Outside your home. The exterior of your home is its year-round defense, specifically designed to protect your dwelling from the elements. However, that doesn't mean it will last forever. To help shelter the place that provides you shelter every single day, give some attention to the following areas.
Number 5, roof. Your roof prevents precipitation, like rain and snow, from falling into your home.
Well, in the Valley of the Sun, snow probably isn't your concern, but believe it or not, up north it can be.
Maintaining your roof should be of utmost importance. Depending on the materials and craftsmanship, a roof should last at least 15 to 30 years, but some roofs can last 50 years or more, and you could help increase that longevity. Weather permitting, get onto your roof at least twice a year to clean off any debris and inspect it for loose or damaged shingles or flashings that need replacement. Do a visual inspection from outside to avoid an icy rooftop, and if need be, carefully remove accumulated snow with a roof rake.
I do remember back east, ice on the roof always was an issue. Again, Arizona and certain parts of the valley, ice probably isn't going to be on your roof, but always inspect the roof. Save yourself time, aggravation, and of course, money.
Number 6, gutters. A roof is only as good as the gutters it's connected to. Without properly working gutters, water can stream into your siding and foundation with disastrous results. This is especially true in cold climates, since ice weighs a whopping 57 pounds per cubic feet and can put an enormous amount of strain on these structures. Prevention is key. Frequently remove any debris from your gutters, especially during fall and early winter, to make sure water can flow out of them. Reattach sections that are getting loose and make sure any accompanying downspouts aren't blocked.
Not many homes in Arizona have gutters. Leave me a comment. Does yours?
And not many builders offer them or require them during new construction. With expansive soil being a concern here in the valley, they should at least offer them, if not require them.
Last but certainly not least, number 7. Take it away.
Siding and foundation. When it comes to a home's exterior, the roof is usually the star of the show. However, that doesn't mean you should ignore your siding and foundation. If you inspect your siding frequently for cracks, chips, peeling paint, and loose sections, you can make repairs right away and better protect your home. Pay particular attention to window frames and other edges to make sure the siding is flush with its respective trim. If it's not, reapply exterior caulk. Once a year, clean your siding to remove dirt and mold, which could creep into the siding itself and into your home. One of the simplest things you can do is also most important. Walk around the exterior to inspect your foundation, taking note of any cracks. Vertical ones tend to be somewhat standard as a result of the structure settling, and you can usually seal them yourself. Stair-step and horizontal cracks may indicate that there's a serious foundation issue, so consult with a foundation professional. Your home may be the biggest investment you can make. Therefore, take steps to keep it safe, sound, and for the long haul.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you watch this one. Until next time, please take care. God bless America. I'll talk to you soon.